Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our what is this? This is our Binance update. This is why we've got red in the background. So we'll go over and assess the altcoin damage. I don't know why I'm laughing. But anyway, so what we have got going on, let me find my calculator so we can calculate how much these altcoins have been absolutely red candled today. So 0.307 plus 0.608. Oh no, I've not done it right. I can't even use this calculator. 0.608, we'll call it, plus, well, I've done it this time, 0.307. So we are on 0.9151 Bitcoin. So a good few percent down from what we were up before. But just remember though, guys, this was a fully only in altcoin invested account. I wasn't keeping any in USDT for this, and yeah, I mean, don't forget Bitcoin's up, like it's up about 10%, isn't it? Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what it's saying. Obviously this is obviously over the last 24 hours. Yeah, it's up, well, at the moment it's up nearly 9%. So if you kind of think about it, Bitcoin's up 9%, our Fiat value's down less than, well, about 9%. Obviously not from where we'd got up to, but as a Fiat wise, we sat okay, but obviously clearly would have been better off with that funds in Bitcoin or in Elrond. Obviously obviously there were some famous last words there, weren't there? Yeah, yesterday when we were taking if we looked at the percentage highest change, let me guess, Elrond. There we go. Well, in fact, I'm sure it was higher than that earlier. But Elrond outperforming even the 10% up Bitcoin. And then you can also see, if we click to the lowest one, I think we're going to have SNX, aren't we? Synthetics somewhere on here. Maybe it's a little bit further down, but it is obviously the predominant. Here we go, synthetics down nearly 7%. It is the DeFi based alts that have been getting hit the hardest, but that will be because the DeFi based alts had more of the hot money in, had the majority of the hot money in. So the hot money is obviously the money that jumps in and out, the swift money. So yeah, but don't forget, these are, I mean, obviously we started when we started at the levels we started, but these coins are up massively anyway since the beginning, as you guys would know from obviously the video we did this morning, where it just shows like their overall gains. Their overall gains are obviously massive from the very beginning. We obviously started this challenge a bit later. So yeah, business wise, the bot hit a trade for us. Obviously there weren't many spikes up at all in these altcoins for us to take any profits. Oh, we've got another taking profit here as well. It's activated an MCO. MCO was the only other coin that was actually doing okay today. The only other coin that I note of note. Yeah, here you go, you can see by doing that. It's a poor show, isn't it, when by doing okay it's basically well, yeah, 1% up's good, actually, just not really good for what we expect. But yeah, L1, you can see L1, and then everything is just a sea of red. Ocean looking good though, and I know I don't have it. Do I have it here? I should have it here. Oh no, I don't. I have lots of Ocean, but just not on this account. Like lots of Ocean. So it is nice to see. That's probably why my other account is looking okay. But yeah, Ocean, PSX, which is another one of my big holdings, ChainX basically. Is it not on here? Is ChainX not on here? It's not actually on here, I don't think. ChainX, we'll have a look, see if it's come on yet. PXC. Alright, PCX, that's the one. Yeah, look, it's not on here yet anyway. But yeah, ChainX, yeah, not doing actually as bad now, recovering itself. But yeah, those are MXC alts that oh, we do have a ChainX on here, surely. Yeah, PCX here, yeah. So yeah, these are the ones that basically seem to have been hit the hardest, the DeFi ones. And again, like I said, it's not anything particularly bad about these coins. It's just obviously the hot pump money is in these coins. But yeah, you can see our MCO sell trade here had a spike up, move back down, and then we've hit the sell. So we'll see if we come back down and hit that 5%. Yeah, what I was going to show you was we did hit a profitable trade in where is it, history, in where is it, in here we go, in RCL. We took profit at a 5% trade. I'd increased the parameters as well, so that was a $12, a bit bigger profit than normal. But what we did do, I mean, this isn't truly representative of what we've done overall, because obviously this L1 take profit bot, I actually cancelled that and then took profit on the whole of the position when it was going nuts, and then bought synthetics, didn't I? I mean, this number is not representative, and we have got a losing deal, and that losing deal I think was down in relative terms to this in the actual dollars. I think it was down about, maybe it was $14 or $15, so we'd have to take $14 or $15 of that if we were going to be truly consistent. But I did it on stream anyway. You guys saw me cancel the trade, and that's just how it did. It wasn't I wasn't trying to manipulate any statistics or hide any facts from you. I literally did it on the video last night. But yeah, so we are down a bit, but I don't think it's bad, because what I fully expect to happen is BTC will eventually consolidate sideways somewhere, maybe even come down a bit, and then that hot money, of which there's more hot money now, because that hot money is basically pumped up BTC, so there's more of it. BTC is a higher value. There's more money basically to pump up these alts. So and obviously DeFi is ever growing, ever expanding, ever increasing in its utility and its use and all that jazz, all that fun stuff. What will happen is, what am I trying to tell you guys, is that yeah, so obviously we'll probably be operating from a higher level for those coins going forwards when they do get pumped. So and then yeah, don't forget, obviously these coins over the past few weeks are still pumped up lows, and now they're not down a lot compared to those lows that pumped up. I mean, most of these coins actually, in fact, are up like near 100%. For them to be 25% off over a couple of days is perfectly normal. So it just happened to be we got in quite late in that pump up, and that 25% has obviously taken quite a lot of our gains. Well, yeah, taken all our gains and then a bit extra, but hey, it's not so bad. Fiat wise, we're all good. Fiat wise, we're okay. So nothing really to worry about there, and we will make that 2 Bitcoin. Do not worry, we will make that 2 Bitcoin. And once we do make that 2 Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin will probably end up being 20k. So we would have in effect turned about less than, well, let's call it roughly $9,500 into $40,000. So in Fed Fiat trash notes, in Fed Fiat toilet paper, we'll call it. That's what we'll call it. So anyway, so yeah, that's our Binance update. The Bitcoin analysis update will be coming later on. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.